Hi, my name is Kiati. I'm the head of the firm of Joshi Advocates Limited. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. This video is going to be on visit visas, why there is a high rate of refusals and what we can do to make sure the application is more likely to be successful. Now, the main thing I've come across is people saying, oh, they need a sponsor to make this application. No, this is not correct. There are two types of visit visas we will cover in this video. One is called a general visitor visa application. The second is called a family visitor visa application. The first, general visitor visa application, does not need a sponsor. Not everyone coming to the UK must have a sponsor. That is not a requirement. People think that, but that is not the requirement. That is not the law. So if someone wants to come in the UK because their job in another country has said, okay, it's your 14 days holiday, go somewhere, and they think, okay, I want to come to UK, they can come, they can make their application. Now, what is going to make their application successful? Because the Home Office has huge discretion. They have a huge power to refuse applications, and the decisions more often go unquestioned. Why? Because it's up to the Home Office to determine what qualifies a genuine visitor. Now, no matter how many documents people put in, their applications are coming back refused, so I'm told. Now, the thing is, when our client comes to me and they say, the visit visa application is to be submitted, my advice is always get documents to support that this person has ties to the country they're coming from, and therefore strengthening the application that they will return. The whole point of the visit visa is that the Home Office is scared that these people are going to come in and they're never going to leave. So we have to make them confident that these people are going to come in and they will leave. Why? Because they have something to go back to. They have ties to the country they're coming from. Now, these ties could be their employment. So show the employment contract, show money in their bank statements, everything to be in English with certified translations. Show that they have property there that they have to manage, it's in their name, they can't just leave it abandoned by coming to the UK and living here forever illegally. Show that they have family, that they're married to somebody, they have children there, show the marriage certificate. Show other documents that would support ties to the country. Okay, now, if they are coming here and they have nobody here who's sponsoring them, fine. They can get their travel tickets, they should show their hotel bookings, they should show their theatre shows they want to catch, they should show their itinerary of the events they have planned, the parties they want to go to. People are often allowed to do this. It isn't something that's unheard of or unknown. So I would invite people out there to not feel under pressure and think that they must be sponsored by somebody in the UK. That does not make a difference to the application. Now, so this was a general visitor visa application. We're going to come on to now called a family visit visa application, where a family member or a friend does sponsor. All that means is they sign an online form called SU07, Sponsorship Declaration. That's it. And then in the declaration, by signing it, they are confirming that they will not claim benefits to support the visitor coming in the UK. So for the family visitor, obviously we'll need to show documents that they are related. Documents show that this sponsor has got money in their bank account, and documents support how the money has come in, pay slips or self-employment documents. Also, we would need to show why the visitor is coming in the UK. So is there a special event? Has someone given birth, or is there a graduation ceremony, or is there a funeral, or what event is there? And support this with documents. So simply saying that this person has died, the visitor is coming in the UK for a funeral, no. Show the death certificate in English translation, show that this person was related somehow, show that the ceremony will take place at XYZ time and date, and support the application in this way. As many documents as you can put in the application to support that you are a genuine visitor. You will go back because you have something to go back to. And you're only coming here for a very short amount of time to do a particular thing. Right, so I hope this clarifies the misconception out there. Now, in the worst case scenario, say the application is refused because the Home Office feel that, you know, they have the power and they will employ their power to refuse the application. It would be best to get legal advice, understand the nature of the decision. What has the Home Office said? Are the Home Office saying that you are not a genuine visitor because they haven't got XYZ documents? Home Office decision when refusing a visit visa application cannot be appealed against since 2015 because of 2014 Act, and there is no admin review. The only judicial redress out there is something called judicial review, which is more likely than not to be unsuccessful because the Home Office have the power to determine if someone is a genuine visitor. They have the power. The courts will charge a fee if you're going to do a judicial review. It is perhaps up to you, of course, how you want to challenge the Home Office decision, if you want to, or you want to put a fresh application in with more documents. But I hope I've alleviated any concerns and misconceptions out there about visit visas. If you need any further information, feel free to contact me. Details below. Please subscribe and we'll see you very soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.